Hello everyone, so today under this vlog, as you can see, I'm currently in a hotel and you will be seeing all of my adventures on how I went back to the Philippines, and hopefully you learn a thing or two for those people who want to go back to the Philippines soon, or just maybe you watch a day in a life where I do my random stuff, how I survived my 10-day quarantine here in Manila. So I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys in a while. Hello and welcome to Japan. So I don't know if you've seen an intro, but I'm probably in the Philippines now, but this is in the past. Welcome to the past. It is days before my flight, and I am just preparing the hotel quarantine papers, how I'll go to the hotel, the affidavit of undertaking, the Bureau of Quarantine health certificate or something, my vaccination card, every single thing. I am just preparing that now so that later on towards near my flight I won't be troubled anymore, and maybe just to print out some stuff also. These Japanese sauces that I cannot live without, like ponzu. I have to buy those from the groceries later on. But yeah, now I'm just registering some stuff on the internet, and hopefully yeah, you'll see me again later at the grocery store. Good morning, friends. Yesterday we were just in Fukuoka, and today it's gonna be 3 days before my flight back to Manila. And yeah, I'm gonna take a 1-month quote-unquote vacation. It's rainy today and I don't know how much I'll miss Japan, but one thing's for sure, it is that I do miss the Philippines a lot. Yeah, wish me luck. Mask was so weird earlier. Yeah, now it's fixed. I'm gonna get some groceries. So I brought some clothes, but I also have some list of things to bring. Here in this notebook. Update, my flight got cancelled, which is very sad. But it got rescheduled to today. Oh no, not today. Tomorrow, I mean. And perfect timing. It's not raining anymore, because I think it was also partly because of the bad weather yesterday that maybe was a sign of bad luck. Going out with my dad to go eat sushi.
There's a place in my mind where I want to be. I imagine you sitting next to me. Running into the night.
I don't like face shield.
Holding hands with no place when you're kissing me. Ocean in motion, watching your leave. Ocean in motion.
I'm in parking, but this is like the storage room where they accept the guests, and I went from the back door of the hotel, which is funny, but it's okay. It's like their precaution or something. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the confirmation, and I'll be going up my room in a while. Okay. Ta-da! Good morning. So I accidentally slept last night. When I arrived, I just hit the bed and slept. It's nice to be back here in the Philippines. I'm just gonna prepare myself before I do anything for the day. Now, I'm just gonna tell you on how I went here this month of August. Firstly, I secured my booking, of course, for the airlines. I used Philippine Airlines, and it was actually a very smooth process. It wasn't a smooth process though when my flight got canceled twice. So basically, I got delayed off my schedule. There was a volcanic eruption that happened earlier, like that month. So the number two you must secure is your hotel reservation. There's a list of accredited hotels in the Philippine Airlines website and the Bureau of Quarantine. They will give you all of the information there on which hotels are valid for you to stay. I just chose one of the hotels and then I reserved them through call, but you can reserve them through Agoda or other hotel services on platforms online. The next thing that I had to do was to fill up my affidavit of undertaking PCR test QR code, and I'm not PCR tested yet. I'm gonna be doing that on the 7th day of my quarantine, and my quarantine is for 14 days in total for now, and 10 days of which where I will stay in the hotel, and 4 days it will be done in my home. By the way, I forgot to mention that I am fully vaccinated, but I still have to undergo quarantine for 10 days. I know that there's some provisions for people who are vaccinated, but I think it's only for people who are vaccinated in the Philippines. The health certificate, One Health Pass. Yeah, this one. So I had to secure a QR code as well from the Philippine Airlines. It's called PAL ESIF. By the method that I arrived here in the Philippines, I used a taxi, a metered taxi. I assure you that if it's ECQ, EDSA is only like a 20-minute ride from Manila to QC. Yeah, everything is actually a smooth process. Like, the airport staff were very accommodating. The process was very smooth. I even got to buy a SIM card right when I was just waiting for my turn in line. I did that all by myself, and I guess I'm considered lucky. I'm not sure about the others' experiences. I guess what you have to do is to really just prepare all of the papers needed, because it'll be a smooth process if you do so. It's really difficult during the ECQ, the situation of the people in here. I guess that's one thing that we should all be mindful of, that you should be kind to all of the workers or all of the people out there who's still trying to help you, because they're also in a very bad situation. And in our own little ways, I hope you guys could take part in helping them. Yeah, I guess that's it. I'll just be eating my cookies now. Cookies baked by my sister. I already took a bite. So I hope you guys had fun. I just got a delivery from mom. Ta-da! Yay! I have chips! Wow! Thank you, mommy. I have rambutan. Is this mango? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I heard the doorbell. It's time for lunch. Hello, lunch. I promise to work out tomorrow. Ta-da! Ooh, is it pork chop? Wow, that smells so good. Itadakimasu. Hello guys, I'm back again. It is day 3. I think day 3. Day 3 of quarantine. I will be showing you guys a very exciting surprise from my mom. My sister and I bought her a laptop. She's using an old version, so we wanted to give her something new. I got this laptop from Japan before I left, and it was like 3 days before I left, and so it was delivered only within 3 days, which is really nice. It's a Lenovo laptop. I will be unboxing this Lenovo laptop. This is not sponsored, by the way. I am just gonna be opening it because for sure she's gonna ask help for me to like open her accounts, to like install this and that, and so I'm pretty sure I will be the one to do that also. So I wanted that when I give this to her, she'll be like, oh, my Netflix account is in here already, oh, my Facebook account is in here already. So it's very easy for her, and that she only needs to open it up and it's already made for her. I will be setting up all of the applications that she needs, And yeah, I think this is actually an overkill laptop for her. 8GB RAM, i7 Intel Core 8th Gen, 512 SSD. So it is an overkill for her. But yeah, I'm so excited to unbox it. So yeah, let's unbox it. Open it up. Let me just set this up on my table. Fish all day. It's another fish. So we always have this dessert. Oh, it smells so good as always. This is taking so long. My Kaspersky is also installing in my mom's computer, and as well as Office, Microsoft. And while I'm doing that on this computer, I'm also editing my YouTube video, which is the August vlog. It was when I went to the park and the chill with me, something shenanigans. So I have to do that now and eat lunch. Bye. Guys, it's freaking sinigang. I love sinigang. I knew the smell was familiar. When I opened it, it is sinigang. Oh, that's so good. I love sinigang. I am editing right now and it's almost midnight. And overnight, so I have to finish editing this video soon. Wow. Good morning, everyone. So today is my swab test. It's my 7th day here in the hotel, and I am scared, happy, because this is gonna be my first human interaction for the whole week. They're gonna be here in any minute. I look like a spy doing this, but it's my turn next, so I'm not sure if I can record. I'm going to get my results from the swab test that I received. I am more scared of receiving this than my college entrance exam results. But yeah, my hair is so messy. I'm gonna check it right now. It's a very highly classified document. But yeah, basically it's like this. You get a swab test, and then 2 days after that, you get your results. It's sent via email. I got texted that it was already sent via email, so I was notified. Wait, negative means no, right? I don't have COVID! Okay. Oh my god, I feel like I want some pageant. But thankfully, I am not sick. And I will still be careful, of course. I will try my best not to interact with many people as much as possible, and also do some precautions before meeting with people. I can go out of this quarantine. Okay, goodbye now. I shall finish editing.